Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Dev. Watch the video till the end to know how reading book influences your health. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe and support Smart Dev to create more informative videos. Do you know the first ever World Book Day was celebrated on April 23rd, 1995, the date as decided by UNESCO, as it was also the death and birth anniversary of William Shakespeare, a world famous author. So, World Book Day is celebrated every year on April 23rd. UNESCO undertakes the responsibility of the event with the aim to inculcate reading habit among people, especially the youth. Now, you may think, with so many forms of entertainment, what is the point of reading book? Books are gift or need with fact. Book is not only paper and ink. It's a dream and ways to do more. Book causes you to think. Books can change lives. Not only this, importantly, book will help you to improve your general health. According to scientists, when we read, not only are we improving memory and empathy, but research has shown that it makes us feel better and more positive too. Science has shown that reading book has some amazing health benefits. Here are some. Reading can help you relax. There is a reason snuggling up with a good book after a long day sounds so appealing. Research suggests that reading can work as a serious stress buster. Reading a real book helps you to relax more than zoning out in front of the screen before bed. Screens like e-readers and tablet can actually keep you awake longer and even hurt your sleep. Reading puts your brain to work. That's very good thing. Those who engage their brains through activities such as reading, chess or puzzles, other mentally challenged games could be 2.5% less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease than those who spend time on less stimulating activities. Research have demonstrated that reading can reduce stress by around 68%. Your brain's short-term memory and recall capabilities will improve. A research study shows that depressed patients in the mental health ward showed positive improvement when they were read stories aloud. They reported feeling better and more positive about things. Reading makes you smarter, slows brain aging, and increases intelligence, also boosts your brain power. Reading can make you more empathetic. Getting lost in a good book can make it easier for you to relate to others. Just like going for a jog exercise to improve your cardiovascular systems, reading regularly improves memory functions by giving your brain a good workout. Children who read are better able to grasp abstract concepts, apply logic in various scenarios, recognize cause and effect, and utilize good judgment. Numerous studies have shown that students who are exposed to reading before preschool are more likely to do well in all facets of formal education. A children's book exposes your child to 50% more words than watching a television show. Flipping pages can help you to understand what you are reading. When it comes to actually remembering what you are reading, you are better off going with a book than an e-book. Reading book is not old-fashioned. The feel of the paper pages under your fingertips provide your brain with some context, which can lead to a deeper understanding and better comprehension of the subject you are reading about. So, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. So, reading a real book than e-book gives you more health benefits. Hope this video is useful for you. Share this video and spread good news about books. Thank you for watching. Please like, click share and comment. Subscribe SmartTube.